In the current climate, people have been bulk buying seeds, digging up flower beds, trying to become a bit more independent. So this is why we've decided to do this project. We're doing it no dig, and we found a little patch of land in the boatyard where we live, and we've bulldozed it to get rid of all the weeds so we could get it done very quickly. Laid down a tarp to stop the weeds coming back, cut up some barrels, salvaged some wood, buckets, an old boat, and we've made frames, and we're going to start up planting. We've got some manure that we've been given through a lady who has a horse locally, and we found things on the skip, so everything really is salvaged and make do and mend. So we're hoping we can have some success with our planting.